How to delete credit card from DoorDash. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can delete credit card from DoorDash. For that, you want to open up any web browser, then head over to DoorDash.com. Here, you want to make sure to sign into your account. After you have been signed in, from the left-hand side menu, click on the account option. Now, click on the payment option under account settings. Once you click on this option, all of your current payment methods will be displayed over here. Now, if you want to delete any payment method, you can do that from here. Before deleting, if you want to add another payment method, you can do that first. For that, you can select any payment method. If you select credit/debit card, you will have to enter some information. Start by entering your card number, CVV number, then enter the expiration date of the card. Now enter your zip code and then click on the Add Card option. Now, to delete your existing credit card, you want to select the card that you want to delete, then click on the Delete option. Now, confirm that you want to delete that credit card. After the confirmation, your credit card will be successfully deleted from DoorDash. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.